Hi there, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to be making the most delicious and simple thumbprint cookies. I love making these cookies, especially around the holiday season, because they're so simple to make and you can make them so many different ways. I'm going to start off by adding in a stick of vegan butter. Mine has been softening for a few hours. Next, I'm going to add in half a cup of cane sugar. Now that I have the butter and sugar, I'm going to use an electric mixer and whisk this for about 2 minutes. Now using a spatula, I'm just going to scrape down the sides of the bowl. Then I'm going to add in 4 tablespoons of unsweetened applesauce. This is what I use as an egg replacement. You could also use a flax egg. Next, I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And then I'm going to mix this again using my electric mixer just to incorporate all of the ingredients. Next, I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of baking powder along with 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. And my last ingredient will be gluten-free all-purpose flour. Here I have 1 1/4 cups. And I'm going to mix this again. This is a personal preference, but I don't like using an electric mixer when I make cookies. I like to mix in most of the flour and then I go in with a spatula and mix the rest by hand. Now that the dough is ready, you can see it's pretty soft. That's how it's supposed to be. If you're enjoying this recipe, then please make sure to like and subscribe so you can get notified anytime I post a new video. Now let's get back to the recipe. So here I have a pan that I've just drizzled with some oil, and I also have a tablespoon. That's going to be my measurement for all the cookies. You can make yours smaller or larger if you prefer. I like to flatten out my spoon to make sure that all the cookies are the same size, and then I'm just going to roll it out into a ball and kind of smush it down so it's a little bit flatter. So here I have 1/4 teaspoon, and I'm just gonna use this as my mold for the circle where the jam's gonna be in the middle of the cookies. You can use anything, even your fingers, to press it down. I just like using this because I feel like I get a consistent circle for each cookie. Now that they're all pressed down, we're going to add the jam in the middle. Now I'm going to add my strawberry jam. You can use any type of jam, marmalade, or pretty much anything you want in the middle. It's super customizable. I'm just gonna add about 1/4 teaspoon or just enough to fill to the top of the cookies. You don't wanna add too much or it might leak out the sides while it's baking. Now that we've added the jam, I'm going to bake these for 10 minutes at 350. Thank you so much for watching, and follow for more simple plant-based recipes.